Ibadan people. Kill it so now. Yes, I know say that so sorry. And now your baby girl again, I be balogo. I don't care on top street again. I want the serve as they hot. You know these questions now. Yes, now like you on top street again. Today we get all questions when you want serving. You want to know the question of today? No worry, know it. It's that sound way man and woman they make when they have that sound.
I can't tell you this.
Oh fuck man, fuck shit man. What be the name of that sound? That thing we just what is they call them?
That's sweet tongues. Sweet. That is sweet. I love you, baby.
Sweet tongues.
Yes, baby. It just will make your head will swell up,
Blow up.
biggest, the largest of that with all your power. You will start to give her so that you will suit her too.
Sir?
You will suit her too. There is somewhere that smart woman
And the man.
and the man. There are somewhere when they come up from them is hi.
I don't know.
Come off that.
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god.
Kenny.
Ríkì tó tó yà wèrè lélẹ́yìí o. Ọmọ last tí mo ní bọ̀n pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ last èyí ní parọ́ fún yín. Ríkì tó rẹ̀ ló dùn mí jù gbà tá a dìbàt. Tó bá ń ṣe ríkì tó bá yà wọ́n. Hush, baby, hush.
You are a foolish man.
Kí ló ń pè kọ́tà ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ń sè?
Tí mo ṣe tán sí yẹn, ṣé ríkì tó eléyìí? A máa ń pè ní fọ́lùm or ríkì tó.
That sound, normal sound.